Welcome back to the my channel, and we are in the previous chapter we have seen how we have run all the tags, basic tags, right? So in this particular thing we'll cover the assertions. So assertions are one of the basic part of any unit framework where we are doing some assertions. So let me show you. Okay, let me comment this static part which I want to show. Okay, let me go this way. Right now everything is fine. Okay, so you can start the session like this. Let's say string 1 is null, string 2 is xyz, and you are saying that assertions dot assert null string 1. Okay, so we are saying that string 1 is null, we are asserting string as null. So this will definitely pass because string 1 is null and string 2 is xyz, and this is not null, right? It's very simple. This is null, this is not null, we are asserting that. But um, keep in mind that we need to write a assertion like this. And let me run test cases. So all the test cases has been passed successfully. Okay, so now let's see the importance of why I made this chapter is just to show you the importance of the static import. So if we have the static import, then we don't need to write assertion dot assert null. We can directly write here assert or like this. Okay, let me explain you. Like if we don't have the static import and we have the normal assertion import, then this will work because we have imported the assertions. But these kind of things will not work because if you want to directly use the method name, we need to import statically. Okay, so I find this is better approach than this. And if you have the static import, this will automatically come. You can use, if even if you like this particular fashion, you can write in this fashion as well, assertions dot assert null. But I will prefer that we should directly write. Why to write unnecessary assertion word here? We can directly use the assert equal true false etc anything. Okay, so this is the importance of the static import. Fine. So let's see the next assertion. So assert equal is like we are asserting two strings to be equal. And here you can also give your optional assert message if something fails. So this message will appear and it will help to debug something. And this is another style like 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So this is one style of assertion. Then some assert false. You're asserting that something should be false. So I'm saying that abc dot length is equal to 10. So definitely I know that abc is just 0 1 2, length should be 2, but I am asking that it should be assert false. So it will be, it will pass for me, right? So again, I am saying assert false, that 10 is greater than 20. Definitely, it will be false, right? So this is my another assertion. And in this particular test case, what we are doing, we are using assert all. Okay, so this is one of the good features, that rather than writing assertion one by one line for every line, you can also do a combined assertion in this fashion. Okay, so we are using here Java 8 Lambda expression. So I have added, so there are three strings, let's say home, street, and city, and this is the address part, and I don't want to assert one by one because I know that address should be correct, and address is a complete unit. Address contains all these four, five elements. So why to assert individually rather than go with the combined assert? So what we have done, that this is the message checking complete address as a whole, and after that comma, and here assert equal home is this and street is this and city is Pune. Okay, so these are all the three assertions combined into common assertions. And let's see, let me run once again, and we'll see that everything will be passed successfully. All the test cases are passing successfully. Yeah, so this is all about assertions. Try to focus. The important part here is static and the assert all. So these are the two new things which we learn, and the basic assertions, um, true, false, null, etc. There are a lot of assertions you can just see. We have number of assertions. So you can just try to play with all these array equals and these kind of assertions. There are a number of assertions in the JUnit. So you can just see, and according to your need, you can decide. Fine, friends. Thanks for watching this, and in the next we will see the assumptions. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.